99.9% of my students pronounce these words incorrectly. So let's go through them and check yourself, see how you do. Our first word is practice, not practice. Everyone says practice, all my students. The word is practice. Okay, short at the end, a small sound, practice. The second word that we have, let's try it now, is item, not item, item. If you talk about the items on the agenda, item. Our third word we have here, many students make a mistake with it. Produce. Many students mix this word up with product. Two different words. Okay. Produce, product. Let's have a look at another word. It's a common mistake. This is the word here. No. Not cano. No. Silent K. This is what we were taught in school many times. Silent K. No. The next word we're going to look at, again, two forms. We have analyze, analyze. And this word here, analysis, analysis. I hope that you did well and you got them all correct. If not, we'll keep practicing. Remember to follow me, because as I said in the beginning, 99.9%, we're going to talk about numbers. So if you want to learn how to pronounce numbers, statistics, percentages, I'll see you next time.